Hey guys, it's time to talk about the Nokia 9. There have been a lot of rumors about an upcoming Nokia flagship model for some time now. This phone apparently gets the name Nokia 9. Recently, a new information about this phone came in. The Dutch website Mobile Corpan just discovered an unannounced phone from HMD Global has been approved by the FCC. It's the TA1005. This model number supposedly belongs to the Nokia 9. The Nokia phone that passed inspection has 128GB storage space and runs on Android 8.0 Oreo. In addition, the FCC approval tells us the TA1005 will be equipped with the Snapdragon 835. Nokia 9 will feature a 5.5-inch OLED display and a 3250 mAh cell. Furthermore, the high-end smartphone will incorporate a dual camera with 12 and 13 megapixel sensor, same as well as Nokia 8. And at the front, a 5 megapixel selfie shooter will be available. Earlier rumors tell us the Nokia 9 will be a bezel-less phone besides 128GB. The phone will be probably also appear with 64GB base internal memory. HMD Global has surprised us with the complete Nokia smartphone lineup in 2017. It started off with the Nokia 6 followed by the Nokia 3 and Nokia 5. Not long after the Nokia 8 was released, in October the Nokia 7 was launched and in November the budget Nokia 2 has been introduced. And Nokia 10 is also a feature phone of the Nokia. Earlier rumors said we may see the Nokia 9 even before the end of the 2017, and it's not possible yet because 2017 is over now and we will wait for the MWC. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming daily tech videos. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then thumbs up, and yeah, see you soon.